Hello everyone, welcome to Sairam Sampatrav Education. Ela unnaru andaru? I hope you're doing great. I welcome you to yet another session of Disha, an initiative to help you towards your mains answer writing practice. Okay, so it is a free daily mains answer writing series for TGPSC Group 1. Right? So highlights enti ee oka program vi ante it is a scientifically designed program to help aspirants clear the mains, TGPSC Group 1 mains. ఓకే, సో ఎవ్రీ డే ఒక్కొక్క టాపిక్ నుంచి ఒక క్వశ్చన్ పిక్ చేసుకొని మా టెలిగ్రామ్ ఛానల్లో మార్నింగ్ 8 o'clockకి వీ విల్ పోస్ట్ ద క్వశ్చన్. రైట్ నౌ ద ఆన్సర్ టు ద సేమ్ క్వశ్చన్ విల్ బీ పోస్టెడ్ ఆన్ అవర్ యూట్యూబ్ ఛానల్ ఇన్ ద ఈవినింగ్ బై 7 PM. ఓకే, సో ఇంకా టెలిగ్రామ్ ఛానల్ని ఫాలో అవ్వకపోతే డు నాట్ hesitate, just go and follow the Telegram channel right away, because there is a bunch of important content coming up on a daily basis that will help you throughout your journey. All right, name ochesi it is the same, it is on sairamsampatraveducation.com, right? And inka highlights ochesi the detailed answer discussion and the model answer PDF will also be uploaded on the same day at 7 PM. Okay, so you definitely do not want to miss this program, this initiative from our institution. All right, so today we are going to deal with governance. Okay, and I have come up with one question from the governance subject. All right, so yes, my name is Yamini and I welcome you to this Disha series. So without any further delay, let us enter into the session. Before discussing today's model answer, మా ఇన్స్టిట్యూట్ నుంచి వచ్చిన different programs గురించి I just want to give you an information so that you might be interested or willing to join it. Right? One such program is the Vijayata program. Okay, now what is Vijayata? It is a comprehensive test series. Okay, a comprehensive mains answer writing test series program. Now we are running batch 3 right now. ఏంటి దీని యొక్క స్పెషాలిటీ అంటే 10 sectional tests ఉంటాయి and 7 full length tests ఉండడం జరుగుతుంది. Okay, now we'll look into few more highlights of this test series. Right, now detailed evaluation and feedback for all the tests will be provided to you within 72 hours. Right, and test explanation sessions for all the tests. మీరు రాసిన ప్రతి ఒక్క టెస్ట్కి దాని యొక్క ఎక్స్ప్లెనేషన్ మోడల్ ఆన్సర్స్ అన్నీ మీకు ప్రొవైడ్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. అండ్ మీరు రాసిన టెస్ట్కి కరెక్షన్ చేసి అండ్ ద రివ్యూ ఆల్ ఆఫ్ దాట్ విల్ బీ ప్రొవైడెడ్ టు యూ వితిన్ 72 hours. No more delay. Comprehensive approach and model answers for all the tests, sectional and full length tests, hand holding, personal mentorship and guidance. Right, all the students are being handheld by all our faculty members. We do not want to miss out any of our students, and you can talk to Sairam sir anytime. Right, this is the reason, because we want to make sure that we are giving our full attention and our full guidance to aspirants who are very serious and keen in their preparation. We are taking only 25 serious aspirants. Okay, the prizes are 14,999 and you can call us on this number or my website www.sairamsampatraveducation.com ki velna. You can enroll yourself into this test series. Okay, so what is today's question? The Companies Act 2013 mandates CSR, corporate social responsibility ni mandate చేస్తుంది. The Companies Act 2013 ఇది మనకి ఇచ్చిన ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్. Discuss the challenges in implementing this mandate. Okay, now if you follow the Mains Way is the Right Way program by our institute, okay, this is also another series that will help you in acing your mains. అంటే సిలబస్లో ఉన్న ప్రతి ఒక్క టాపిక్ చుట్టూరా we frame questions and we will complete the entire syllabus through answer writing practice. Okay, so if you have enrolled yourself and you have been following my videos like the governance videos, I practice the 3-step approach. Okay, step 1 వచ్చేసి we will first read the question. Step 2 వచ్చేసి we will analyze the question. Now ఈ అనాలిసిస్కి భాగంగా we will determine what the scope is. ఒక మైండ్ మ్యాప్ డ్రా చేసుకుంటాం. మైండ్ మ్యాప్ is nothing but క్వశ్చన్ని మొత్తం బ్రేక్ చేసుకొని వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఎగ్జామినర్ యాక్చువల్లీ ఆస్కింగ్ యూ, రైట్? దీనికి under this we will determine what the directives are, the directive words. What are directive words, right? What are directive words? They are words like discuss, okay, ikkada discuss undi, examine, critically examine, analyze. All of these words are directive words, right? So directive words ento analyze chesi scope of the question ento determine cheskoni, then the third step is to determine the number of pages that we will finish our answer in, the pages and the time that we would wish to allocate for it, and then we will go forward to attempt the answer, right? So now we are done with reading the question, right? Question into chadiveskunnamo. Step 1 is done. Now to our step 2, right? Now what is step 2? We will analyze the question, okay? Question analysis, right? Now he's talking about CSR, corporate social responsibility. ఇది మనందరికీ తెలిసిందే, ఓకే? దీన్ని మ్యాండేట్ చేసేది ఏంటి? ది కంపెనీస్ యాక్ట్ 2013 సిఎస్ఆర్ని మ్యాండేట్ చేస్తుంది అని అంటున్నారు, ఓకే, డన్. ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం చేయమన్నారు మరి ఎగ్జామినర్? వాట్ ఈస్ హీ ఆస్కింగ్ అస్ టు డూ? హీస్ ఆస్కింగ్ యూ టు డిస్కస్, ఓకే? డిస్కస్, దేన్ని డిస్కస్ చేయాలి? డిస్కస్ ద ఛాలెంజెస్, ఓకే? ఛాలెంజెస్ ఆఫ్ సిఎస్ఆర్? నో, ఆఫ్ ఇంప్లిమెంటింగ్, ఓకే? ఇంప్లిమెంటింగ్ సిఎస్ఆర్, సిఎస్ఆర్ని ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు వచ్చే ఛాలెంజెస్ ఏంటో దానిని డిస్కస్ చేయాలి, ఓకే? నౌ డిస్కస్ ఈజ్ వన్ సచ్ డైరెక్టివ్ వేర్ యూ హ్యావ్ టు టాక్ అబౌట్ ద పాజిటివ్స్, ద నెగటివ్స్, and then also arrive at a conclusion, okay? The student is expected to talk about the positive aspect, the negative aspect, and also arrive at a conclusion, okay? Now also this discuss depends on the type of the question, right? Given. Now for example ee question lo direct ga discuss the challenges అని ఇచ్చేసారు, ఓకే? సిఎస్ఆర్ని ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేస్తుండగా వచ్చే ఛాలెంజెస్ ఏంటో డిస్కస్ చేయమని చెప్పారు. సో విల్ టాక్ అబౌట్ ద ఛాలెంజెస్. బిఫోర్ దట్ విల్ ఆల్సో టాక్ అబౌట్ ఫ్యూ అదర్ ఆస్పెక్ట్స్ ఆఫ్ సిఎస్ఆర్, right? And then we'll talk about the challenges and we'll come and drive to a conclusion, all right? Now because he has asked us to discuss the challenges of CSR implementation, మనం ముందుగా సిఎస్ఆర్ గురించి, దాని యొక్క ఫీచర్స్ గురించి, గోల్స్ గురించి అవన్నీ మాట్లాడుకుంటూ, ఛాలెంజెస్ని మాట్లాడుకుంటూ, అల్టిమేట్లీ విల్ ఆల్సో గివ్ దెమ్ ఫ్యూ మెజర్స్ ఆఫ్ మేకింగ్ the implementation even more better, okay? Right, so let us look at what the introduction should actually contain, okay? This is once you're done reading the question and analyzing. So this is typically the scope, okay? This is the scope, all right? Now కంపెనీస్ యాక్ట్ 2013 నుంచి సిఎస్ఆర్కి మ్యాండేట్ అనేది వచ్చింది, ఓకే? కానీ మనం ఎగ్జామినర్ ఏం చేయమన్నాడు? డిస్కస్ చేయమన్నాడు. దేన్ని డిస్కస్ చేయమన్నాడు? డైరెక్ట్ సిఎస్ఆర్ గురించి డిస్కస్ చేయమన్నాడా? నో, మధ్యలో ఉంది ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్. సిఎస్ఆర్ని ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేస్తుండగా వచ్చే ఛాలెంజెస్ ఏంటో దాని గురించి డిస్కస్ చేయాలి, ఓకే? నా సో ఇఫ్ యూ రిమెంబర్ దిస్, యూ విల్ మేక్ షూర్ దట్ యూ డు నాట్ క్రాస్ ద బౌండరీస్, okay? You'll not cross the boundaries while writing your answer. So this is pretty much the scope. This is pretty much the mind map that I was talking about previously, all right? Now step 2 is done. We've analyzed the question, mind map draw చేసుకున్నాము, scope of the question ఏంటో స్టిక్ అయిపోయాము. ఇంతే అడుగుతున్నాడు మన ఎగ్జామినర్, దీనికి మించింది లేదు, నథింగ్ లెస్ దెన్ దిస్, all right? The third step is what? Number of words and the number of pages, number of time, number of minutes that we are going to allocate. So 200 words annanga, we will write the answer in 2.5 pages, and the time to be allocated is 10 minutes, okay? Ideally you can allocate 12 minutes for your answers in the mains, but we recommend you to finish your answer in 10 minutes, so that the rest 2 minutes that you save up, you keep saving this, and ultimate ka make, in few questions that you're not sure about, that 2 minutes you can utilize it there. All right, clear? So 200 words, you have to finish the answer in 2.5 pages and within 10 minutes of your time, right? Simple. Okay, so let us see what the model, introduction, body and conclusion are. So as I was telling you, స్కోప్ డిటర్మిన్ చేసుకున్నాక, క్వశ్చన్ చదువుకున్నాక స్కోప్ ఏంటి, మైండ్ మ్యాప్ డ్రా చేసుకున్నాక, యుల్ థింక్ ఫర్ యువర్ సెల్ఫ్ ఇన్ యువర్ మైండ్ దట్ వాట్ ఆర్ వి గోయింగ్ టు రైట్ ఇన్ ద ఇంట్రొడక్షన్, వాట్ విల్ వి రైట్ ఇన్ ద బాడీ అండ్ వాట్ విల్ వి రైట్ ఇన్ ద కన్క్లూజన్. ఈ 3 థింగ్స్ అనేవి మీ మైండ్లో యూ షుడ్ హ్యావ్ ఇట్ ఫ్రేమ్డ్ అప్, ఓకే, before you put the pen on the paper, before you start to write, all of these things, introductionలో ఏముండాలి, నా బాడీలో ఏముండాలి, కన్క్లూజన్లో ఏముండాలి, should be very crystal clear. All right. Introduction. Introduce the Indian Companies Act 2013, highlighting its significance as a reform from the 1956 Act and its mandate on CSR for certain companies to promote social, economic and environmental development. Okay. So, tanu ichina examiner ichina question adina first statement gurinche maatladukunటూ we will introduce our answer. We'll talk about the Companies Act. అసలు what was the background of the Companies Act? Previously, it was, how did it change from the 1956 Act? And now, Teeskochna Act, why is it mandating CSR? Right? Why is it asking few companies to set aside a certain amount of its profits on the development? Right? Which development? Social, economic and environmental development. ఓకే, సిఎస్ఆర్ ఎక్కడి నుంచి పవర్ తెచ్చుకుంటుంది, దాని గురించి మాట్లాడుతూ ఇంట్రొడక్షన్ వి విల్ స్టార్ట్. నెక్స్ట్, బాడీ. అవుట్లైన్ కీ ఫీచర్స్ ఇంక్లూడింగ్ విమెన్ ఎంపవర్మెంట్, increased shareholder power, mandatory CSR, increased shareholder limit and time-bound rehabilitation and liquidation processes. List the primary goals of CSR under just a moment. List the primary goals of CSR under the Act, such as eradicating hunger, poverty, promoting education and gender equality, combating diseases, ensuring environmental sustainability, contributing to socio-economic development funds. Okay, so all of these are the primary goals of the CSR. Right. Discuss the main challenges. Enti main challenges? Right? Challenges. So he asked us to talk about the challenges in implementing CSR. So dani yokka challenges enti? Like difficulty in finding suitable NGOs, regional distribution imbalance, skewed spending, neglected areas and lack of community participation. Then we will also suggest measures like reviewing penal provisions, introducing sector-specific spending, enhancing coordination, and establishing a separate body for CSR impact assessment. Okay, so whatever is lagging in the CSR initiative, in implementation of CSR, you can suggest few measures by which such discrepancies can be fulfilled. Right? Then we will conclude our answer. Summarize the potential of the Companies Act 2013 in contributing to inclusive growth and sustainable development, emphasizing the need to address implementation challenges through improved coordination, balanced regional distribution, and enhanced transparency. Before proceeding to the model answer, one more test series, one more initiative from our institute to help you in your mains. Right? What is this? It is Udyamam. Okay, చాలా మందికి the one of the toughest toughest side or toughest part in this TGPSC is Telangana movement, right? Telangana movement and state formation, because state form ayyaka this is the first ever time that TGPSC is conducting group 1. So questions ela form aitayi, a area is important, which area has to be focused a lot, ఎలాంటి క్వశ్చన్స్ వస్తాయి, ఆన్సర్స్ ఎలా రాయాలి, what points are important, what points to stress on, what not to stress on. All of this has become a biggest task and a biggest area of concern for many aspirants. So ఆ యొక్క ప్రాబ్లమ్ని సాల్వ్ చేయడానికి, ఈజ్ చేయడానికి we have come up with this Udyamam series, where TGPSC Group 1 Mains Test Series for Telangana Movement and State Formation, as I mentioned. So దీని యొక్క highlights ఏంటి? Again, you'll have 15 daily tests and 3 sectional tests. 200 plus best quality questions and answers that are related to Telangana movement and state formation. Okay, again, detailed evaluation and feedback for all the tests, daily and sectional, within 72 hours. Test explanation sessions for all tests. Comprehensive approach and model answers for all the tests. And you can talk to Sairam sir at any point of time, right? Now again, you can contact us on this number 6305955532, or you can also visit our website www.sairamsampatraveducation.com to avail this test series. The price of this test series is 3,499. Okay, so enroll into this session and make your mains answer writing a learning journey where you can leave everything onto us and you can just concentrate on preparing and getting yourself better every day, right? So there is enough coming from the Sairam Sampatrav education, right? So this series is to help you ace your essay program, right? మేము చెప్తూనే ఉన్నాము, చాలామంది ఎస్ఏ పేపర్ని చాలా లైట్గా తీసుకుంటారు. ఇట్స్ జస్ట్ ఫిలాసఫీ, జస్ట్ పేపర్స్ చదువుకొని, ప్రీవియస్ పేపర్స్ చదువుకొని వెళ్ళిపోయి యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ టాక్, యూ కెన్ జస్ట్ గెట్ ది కంటెంట్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ నో వేర్, ఏదైనా రాసేయచ్చులే అనుకొని వెళ్ళిపోతారు. వేరే సబ్జెక్ట్స్ అన్నిటిపైన ఎక్కువ ఫోకస్ పెట్టేసి దీన్ని వదిలేయడం జరుగుతుంది. బట్ అల్టిమేట్గా పీపుల్ హూ ఆర్ ఏసింగ్ గుడ్ మార్క్స్, fetching good marks in essay paper are the ones whom you find their names in the merit list, because essay is also, getting good marks in essay paper is also a must for you to reach the finals, right? Final merit list. So అలా నెగ్లెక్ట్ చేయకండి essay paperని. We are here to help you, to give you complete guidance on this aspect as well. Okay, so comprehensive coverage of entire syllabus through 25 plus themes. Sairam sir's exclusive system that will help you in generation of content effectively for your essay, right? Brainstorming techniques, how to fetch content, how to fetch anecdotes, facts ela తీసుకురావాలి, where to insert facts, anecdotes ఎలా పెట్టాలి, right? Again, anecdotes, quotes, data, facts and further parts for every theme. Okay, so complete syllabus ni 25 plus themes la divide chesi we are helping you in completing this essay paper as well. Okay, yeah, so you can contact us on this number or you can visit our website again to avail this series as well, right? So enroll aipondi and leave yourself to best hands and you just concentrate on preparing, right? E time lo you should not just waste your time in searching for good faculty, good test series. Once you have generated trust, once you have built trust on us, now leave it entirely upon us, and you just have to do your homework of practicing patiently with perseverance. All right, so now let us enter into the answer. All right, introduction. So introduction ani side heading rayakudu, and ideally your introduction has to be between 2 to 3 lines. It is okay for you to extend it from 4 to 5 lines as well. Okay, and introduction lo em rayali, meer body lo deni gurinchi aithe రాయబోతున్నారో దాని గురించి మాత్రమే మీ introduction లో ఉండాలి. Okay, and also the same is with the conclusion. Whatever you will write about the body, దాని గురించి మాట్లాడుతూనే మీ conclusion అనేది ఉండాలి. Okay, nothing more, nothing out of the context, nothing from anywhere else. All right, introduction. The Indian Companies Act 2013, a significant reform from its predecessor, the Companies Act 1956, mandates corporate social responsibility. Okay, CSR ni mandate చేస్తుంది the Indian Companies Act 2013. ముందుగా Companies Act 1956 ఉన్నింది, right? దేనికోసము for certain classes of companies. Now this legislation aims to ensure that companies contribute to social, economic and environmental development. While the act has the potential to drive inclusive growth, its implementation faces several challenges. Okay, దేనికోసం తీసుకురావడం జరిగింది? కంపెనీస్ షుడ్ పార్టిసిపేట్ ఇన్ ద డెవలప్మెంట్ through social, economic and environmental perspective. Okay, now this act has the potential, దీనికి కెపాసిటీ ఉంది టు డ్రైవ్ ఇన్క్లూజివ్ గ్రోత్, కానీ ఇంప్లిమెంట్ చేయడంలో కొన్ని ఛాలెంజెస్ ఫేస్ చేస్తుంది, కొన్ని ఇబ్బందుల్ని ఫేస్ చేస్తుంది. మనని ఎగ్జామినర్ ఈ ఛాలెంజెస్ గురించి రాయమని చెప్పారు. Okay, so do you see how we are linking everything that the examiner is asking? We're just giving him what all he wants, right? ఇంట్రొడక్షన్లో కంపెనీస్ యాక్ట్ గురించి మాట్లాడాడు అండ్ మ్యాండేట్ చేస్తుంది సిఎస్ఆర్ అని చెప్పాడు. దాని ఇంప్లిమెంటేషన్లో ఛాలెంజెస్ ఏంటి అని అడిగాడు. దాని గురించే మనం ఇంట్రొడక్షన్లో వీవ్ మెన్షన్డ్. ఓకే, throughout the answer if you see we will talk about what are all the keywords or what is all that we've discussed in the scope or in the mind map if you observe, right? Next, body ani separate ga side heading raayakudadu. Now, features of the Company Act. Women empowerment mandates the appointment of at least one women director on the board for certain classes of companies, promoting gender diversity in corporate leadership. Okay, women empowerment to make sure that women participation is there, right? Direct board of directors, board members lo appointment undali. Next, increased shareholder power. Right, now what is this? Requires shareholder approval for significant transactions, enhancing transparency and accountability. Okay, next, corporate social responsibility. Now Companies Act lo we are talking about this CSR stipulates that eligible companies must spend a specified percentage of their profits on CSR activities, focusing on areas like health, education and skill development. Okay, increased shareholder limit raises the maximum number of shareholders in a private company from 50 to 200, encouraging broader ownership and investment. Okay, next, time bound rehabilitation and liquidation introduces a structured and time bound process for rehabilitation and liquidation of companies in financial distress. If there are any companies that are under financial distress or have gone into losses, okay, so timely rehabilitation and liquidation ela undali. What is the time bound process? Dani kuda define chesindi this Companies Act. Now, goals of CSR under the Companies Act. So CSR define chesindi. CSR ki power ekkడి నుంచి వచ్చింది? Companies Act 2013. So దీంట్లో CSR యొక్క goals ఏమని define చేస్తున్నారో చూద్దాం. It will help to achieve the goal of inclusive growth through eradicating extreme hunger and poverty, promotion of education, gender equality and empowering women, combating human immunodeficiency virus, the HIV, acquired immune deficiency syndrome and other diseases, ensuring environmental sustainability, contribution to the Prime Minister's National Relief Fund or any other fund set up by the central government for socio-economic development and relief, and funds for the welfare of the scheduled castes, scheduled tribes and other backward classes, minorities and women, etc. So goals enti? The Companies Act ఏదైతే CSR mandatory అని చెప్పిందో ఎలాంటి గోల్స్ని డిఫైన్ చేసింది? CSR ఎస్టాబ్లిష్ చేసి CSR యాక్టివిటీస్ చేస్తూ దేన్ని ఎలాంటి గోల్స్ అచీవ్ చేయాలో కూడా కంపెనీస్ యాక్ట్ మెన్షన్ చేసింది. Alright, now we have to talk about what the examiner has asked us to write. These are the challenges. ఇది రాయకుండా మిగిలినంతా రాస్తే it is of no use. Alright, right. Challenges in CSR implementation. Inability to find suitable NGOs. Companies often struggle to identify reliable NGOs for implementing their CSR projects, while NGOs find it challenging to secure appropriate funding partners. Like there's no linkage. NGOs have, proper established connections, connectivity. Ekkada problem undi, elanti problem undi. This community has certain problem. This society has problem. These are the marginalized people and they have all the data, research work with them, and the CSR has the funds right? So ఇద్దరిని కలపడానికి there's no common link. Regional distribution imbalance. A significant portion of CSR funds is concentrated in industrialized states like Maharashtra, Karnataka, Gujarat and Tamil Nadu, leading to regional disparities. Also, CSR activities are taken up by corporates, big companies in the areas that are nearby to them, not in the actual place of the requirement, or marginalized societies in the place lo velli they do not perform the activities, right? So that is creating a sort of imbalance. Skewed spending. Some companies prioritize brand promotion over addressing local needs, undermining the true intent of CSR, right? As I mentioned, they if they're doing some work, they use their own branding, like their own t-shirts kanivandi, goodies of their own company logos, and they distribute them, or oka billboard pettadamo, or doing it. So idi vallaki city lo kani valla company pakka areas lo chestene it will be benefit for them, because people will know that so and so companies the building right on the main road. Ade alantide oka help if they do it in the some rural areas with some marginalized people. Who will recognize them there, right? There's no one. But the need actually is served in the rural and marginalized sector. This is not recognized by CSRs often. They do it for their branding purposes only, right? Neglected areas. Certain sectors such as a slum area development, technology incubation and benefits to armed forces receive little to no CSR funding. Lack of community participation. Insufficient engagement with local communities hampers the effectiveness and relevance of CSR projects. Alright. Now, what are the recommendations that we can suggest to improve? Recommendations for improvement. Right? Review penal provisions, strengthen enforcement mechanisms to ensure compliance with CSR mandates. Okay, introduce prior sector spending, implement sector specific spending requirements to ensure balanced allocations of CSR funds. Right, most of the time majority of the CSR funds is allocated to sectors like health or education. Okay, migla sectors like there might be other major sectors like sanitary ayindochu, or food ayindochu, or shelter, or other stuff like infrastructure, school infrastructure. Ivannitni actual requirement unna kuda pattichukopovam jarugutundi, because majority of the funds are already being allocated to health, education, on those sectors. So sector wise balanced ga funding anedi distribution pettukunte that will be much more helpful. Enhance coordination. Foster better coordination between corporates, NGOs and local communities to address genuine needs effectively. Okay. CSR impact assessment. Establish a separate body to conduct regular impact assessments of CSR activities, ensuring accountability and transparency. CSR తీసుకొచ్చిన activities ki accountability and transparency kuda undali, so that to make sure how far has the progress been anedi చూపించడానికి. Okay, so this was how we have finished writing and constituting our body. Okay, now we will talk about conclusion. Okay, aim రాయాలి conclusion లో, how to end the answer. Now again, conclusion ani separate ga side heading రాయకూడదు, and ideally your conclusion has to be 2 to 3 lines, but it is okay if you are extending it from 4 to 5 or 6 lines. But again, body lo deni gurinchi aithe rastaro dani gurinchi rastu matrame your conclusion has to have. Okay, now the Companies Act 2013 with its mandate on CSR has the potential to significantly contribute to inclusive growth. Okay, potential undi CSR ki to contribute to inclusive growth and sustainable development in India. However, addressing the challenges in its implementation is crucial. Implementation చేస్తున్నప్పుడు ఏవైతే challenges ఉన్నాయో దాన్ని address చేయడం is important. By improving coordination, ensuring balanced regional distribution, and enhancing transparency, CSR can become a powerful tool for corporate contribution to societal well-being. This collaborative effort between the government, corporates, and civil society will aid in achieving the broader goals of development and inclusive growth. Okay, so did you understand how we have brought in the positive aspect? Yes, there are issues, there are challenges in implementation of CSR. Kani those areas of challenges enti, those areas of proper, you know, areas enti that have to be taken good care of. Avitni raskunamu, and proper coordination between NGOs and other stakeholders. Danini teeskoste, then ultimately inclusive growth and the broader goals of development ni we can achieve and cheptunam. Alright, so this was it about today's answer. Alright, so before leaving for the day, this is the program that I was talking to you about in the beginning. Mains Way is the right way. One-stop solution program for TSPSC Group 1 Mains. Okay, Elaga, we are completing the entire syllabus comprehensively through 500 plus mains questions. Okay, so syllabus lo unna prati oka word, prati oka topic chutura we are framing 4 to 5 questions, and we are making sure that you're done with your entire syllabus via this mains answer writing itself. So by the end of this program you will be done with your syllabus, and also mains answer writing technique edaithe undo, the practices elaga how to analyze the question, how to analyze the directive words, introduction ela undali, body, conclusion ela undali, how to conclude the answers, how to frame your introductions, ekkada illustrations vadali, ekkada vadoddu, and how to cut short, how to bring in more data, how to bring in content. All of this you'll be trained. By the end of this program you'll be an expert in the mains answer writing. Okay, because we are continuously and rigorously practicing in such a manner. Okay, all the faculty members are putting in their efforts to bring in the best content, best answer writing skills, and best way, best methodology, so that this practice has to be a long forward practice to you. Ipudu 1 month 2 months kosam tricks and tips cheppadaniki kaadu. This practice has to stay with you throughout your journey for a longer period. So that is how we are focusing and designing our system in such a manner. All right, so detailed discussions on each and every word mentioned in the main syllabus, as I mentioned, ready-made intros and conclusions for each and every topic mentioned in the syllabus. Right, so you do not have to worry about the answers, the content, now fetching the data from different books, multiple sources, making your own answers. Avannit kosam time waste cheyalsina avasaram ledu. Okay, this is your one-stop solution as we have named it. All right, so you can call us on this number, or you can visit us on our website and enroll yourself into this best solution, or the best course available today for TSPSC Group 1 Mains. Okay, you are simply putting yourself into the hands of the best faculty, best people. That is what we can ensure you. The rest is the rest will just keep on happening. All right, so yes, that's it from me. Thank you for your patience, for your time. If you have gained any content, if you have liked the video, do share it with your friends, do share it with your fellow aspirants. Vallu kuda benefit aye chance undi. And also, if you feel any of these courses that I have mentioned throughout the video are helpful, they definitely are helpful to you. So do not hesitate, do not delay in enrolling yourself, because there are limited slots. Okay, time is running out. Just concentrate on preparation, just concentrate on your regular practice. Leave the rest, leave the others in the best hands. All right, so yes, see you until next time. Bye bye.